Sometimes you just need a full screen of color, and I never realized it was so easy to make. Right here in your project window, click New Item, Color Matte, OK, and click your color. Let's go with white. OK, I'm going to call this White Matte, and drag it onto the timeline. Full screen of color. Why would I use this? Let's zoom in. Let's put a transition on it. I'm going to go from a full white screen and fade in. You could do something similar with the dip to white transition, but I not only want to dip to white, however, you can't hold on the color when that happens. And here, if I need to change the shade of white, I can double click it and easily change it here. Dip to white only lets you have pure white. And here it goes from black to white to picture. Maybe you need another color, like a bright orange or blue. See how fast I've made these color mattes? A long time ago, I would go into Photoshop, save a JPEG with the color that I wanted, and drag it onto the timeline here. But this is lots easier.